Hello, my name is Sujata Kishore and I'm from Fullife Healthcare Private Limited. So we are the leaders in effervescent technology manufacturing in India, and we have a subsidiary company called as Novelty Pharma from Switzerland, and we have our own brand which is Fasten Up, which is especially a sports nutrition brand. So we also besides having our own brand, we also do contract manufacturing for both domestic and export products. So effervescent is a very niche category because it's last 1 decade it has become like really popular because of the patient compliance. It gives effervescent product give you a better bioavailability, faster onset of action. They taste very good, so you don't feel like you're taking a medicine. You feel like you're taking a juice. So Full Life Healthcare has catered to the biggest players in the market in for India as well as export. So basically in IPHEX we have had a great response. We have been here for the last 3 days, and this year I think the footfall has been really very high, and we have got excellent leads from this. We hope that we'll be able to build our business bigger with this opportunity. Yeah, thank you so much.